Welcome to TASKAE, your all-in-one business management platform. In this video, we'll walk you through how to manage your sales workflow, including the POS system, barcode scanning, sales reports, and POS orders, all from one place. Let's jump right in, and here's our dashboard. Let's head to the POS dashboard. And this is basically the summary of how we are performing in terms of sales. You can see the sales of this month, sales, the total sales, and here you can see the sales report in a visualized form in this table. And you can configure the dates, the timeline that you want to see your sales performance. Let's go a little bit down, and here you can see separately a POS section. If you click here, you can see different subsections, such as Add POS. Let's click to this one. And you can see how it works from your customer. So here we have different products, we have different categories that you can create yourself. And let's say we want to buy this. We're simply clicking on this, and here you can see you can insert the discount code if you provide your customers. And they can empty the cart, and they can choose to pay. Once they click on pay, they will immediately have this invoice appear on their screens. They can choose cash payment. You can choose your own payment options, and they can also print. This is basically the receipt. Let's now head to POS orders. And once an order is completed from your customer's perspective, you can see your sales appear right here. You can see the POS ID, you can see the date, the customer, the warehouse, and the amount of sales that you have done. You can also go to print barcode, and you can see the respective barcodes for each product that you have sold. And let's go to report to keep track of our performance. This is our daily and monthly report. You can choose the start date, the end date, the warehouse that you have, and the customers. And here you can see again in a visualized form. If you go to POS versus purchase report, you can also see this kind of insights. Well, that's it. And that's it about TASKAE for today. And if you still got any questions concerning it, don't forget to drop them in the comments, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.